In this video, we'll walk through setting up Sendbird UIKit for React. UIKit enables developers to build a tailored chat experience with the essential messaging features and highly customizable UI components. It provides a quick integration that can be built into new or existing applications. Let's get started. To start off, create an application on the Sendbird dashboard. This is where you can access everything necessary for your chat service, including your applications, users, messages, and channels. Once you create an application, you'll need the app ID to initialize UIKit. In your application, add a user. Next, create a new project environment using Create React App. Install the Sendbird UIKit with npm. Then, add a .m file to store the app ID, user ID, and nickname that was generated from your Sendbird dashboard. If you generated an access token for your user, store it here as well. Import Sendbird Provider from UIKit. This will be the wrapper for our application. Sendbird Provider is the context provider for UIKit that passes the chat SDK down to child components. To initialize UIKit, pass in the required properties, app ID and user ID. Create a new file, Customize App. This will be a child component of the Sendbird Provider and contain the UIKit modules to compose a functional chat. The customized app file will contain the channel list, channel, and channel settings from UIKit. Set the class name of the div to be channel wrap. This class name and the ones we'll set in the file apply preset styling from UIKit. Create a div inside, which will be the channel list wrapper. Set the class name to be channel list and put the channel list module within the div. The channel list displays a full list of group channels that the current user is a part of. We'll use its onChannelSelect property to set the channel's URL that's clicked on in the channel list. Store the state of the current channel variable. Next, create a div with the class name channelChat. This is going to contain the channel component. The channel module displays a group channel, which is an invitation-only channel that allows close interactions between a limited number of users. To join a group channel, an invitation from a channel member is required by default. The channel component requires its channel URL property in order to set the current channel URL. Use onChat header action click to render the settings menu to open and close on click of the header's icon. The show settings state will allow us to know if the settings menu is opened or closed. Create a function, render settings bar, that will find the channel components div and set the styling so that the menu can be displayed to the right of the conversation window. Lastly, check the state of show settings. If it's true, then the channel settings module will render to the screen. The group channel settings module shows a menu of the channel settings options that you can make changes to. It includes channel name, channel image, list of channel members, and the option to leave the channel. Members of a group channel can view the member list, invite a user to the channel, and leave the channel. Moderation tools are only available to the channel operators. Operators can add and remove other operators, view the list of channel members, muted members, and ban users. They can also mute and ban members, as well as leave the channel or freeze the channel. The div that will wrap around channel settings will have a class name channel settings. Channel settings requires its channel URL property to specify the group channel's URL. Use onClose click to close the setting options menu. It'll call hide settings bar, which will apply styling to the channel components div to expand the conversation window where the settings menu used to be. To have the chats view display the channel list on the left and the conversation window on the right, apply the following styling in the app.css style sheet. At this point, we have a functional UIKit chat application running. If you'd like to learn more, please check out the UIKit documentation linked below. Thanks for watching.